Want to boost your clothing brand and make your design stand out like never before? Check out this 3D walking t-shirt mock-up.
But firstly, you'll want to head to my Gumroad page, which is brockcreative.gumroad.com. And from there, you're going to find a whole heap of different mockups that you can use. But for today, we're going to be focusing on the free animated 3D t-shirt mockup. Now, once you're on this page, in order to get it for free, you want to go down to this little tab here and enter $0. You do want to support the channel, you're welcome to enter as much as you'd like. But if you want to get it for free, you have to do is enter $0 and then add it to your cart. And once you've extracted that zip folder, you'll have everything you need to get started. And once you open up the Blender file, you notice that the mockup is already there for you. Now, if you find that when you play your animation, your mockup isn't walking like mine is on screen, you need to make sure that you go down to your modifier properties, and right here where it says file path, you want to click on the little folder icon here. And now where you've unzipped your zip file, you'll need to find the animation cache.abc. This is the file that's going to make your mockup animate. So you want to make sure that you accept this. And now everything should be playing like normal. And now in order to see a design on this mockup, you want to go to the top right of your viewport and turn on the rendered shading preview. And this is going to show you the template design, but now we want to change this to your design. In order to do that, you want to open up the Photoshop template. And once you open up that Photoshop project, you're going to be presented with this template here. It has different guidelines there to show you where you can place your designs. And just in case you don't have Photoshop, I've also supplied a template here that you can use in any other photo editing software that you have. Now, I already have a design here, so I'm going to bring this into our template and just place it where I need it to go. Now that we have our designs in place, we can turn these guidelines off because we no longer need them. And if we want to change the color of our mockup, we can do that by changing the background color here to any color that you want. I'm happy to leave this as black though, so that's what I'm going to do. And once you're happy with your design, you can either save the Photoshop project or you can export it out as an image. I'm going to save this as a PNG file. And we'll just call this Brock Creative Example. And now going back to our Blender mockup, we want to go to the material properties here, and to change it to our design, we want to click the folder icon, find where we saved our design. Ours was Brock Creative Example. And now in order to render this design out, we want to go to our output properties, choose the location of where we want to save our design. By default, this is set to an image sequence, but if you want it to be a video, you can use either one of these files. And once you're ready, just go to the top left and hit render animation.